The Attorney General Alliance Africa has organized a two-day training for lawyers in Nasarawa State on the use of webinar in the dispensation of justice in the state. The training themed Effective Administration of Criminal Justice in the New Normal webinar held in Lafia, the state capital. Godwin Agwam reports.
This is a gathering of legal luminaries, judges, and senior advocates of Nigeria. They are here for a two-day training on effective administration of criminal justice using the webinar. The advent of the COVID-19 pandemic has forced many organizations to seek alternative ways of functioning, and the courts are not being left behind on this. Beyond the pandemic, the incident strike action by judicial workers has become an impediment to the speedy dispensation of criminal justice. This training seeks to acquaint lawyers on the use of the webinar as the new normal in the dispensation of justice.
And so the new era of COVID-19 began, and of course its attendant toll of Nigeria with many lives lost and a new lifestyle entrusted to Nigerians. So this COVID-19 era affected the effective administration of criminal justice in Nigeria.
I think my ministry, during this period of the food strike, for the last 2 to 3 weeks, we have received a number of judgments virtually from some courts. I think that's one area that today, with my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Judge in attendance, and all the jurists, the justices of Superior Court in Nasarawa State present, before the end of this program, we need to conceptualize the process, build the framework and the structure to enable our courts to proceed even with the absence of the judiciary staff.
You see, now Abdia has given us conditions. You're here before and a few days old. The police will extract confessional statement. We don't know how. But the defendants will come to court and tell you, we were beaten, we were tortured. It is not our confession. It is a lie. Police fabricated it. But with the coming of this Abdia and this workshop, now there must be visual recording of the confessional statement voluntarily.
Lawyers are confident that the training would further equip them with the knowledge to function in the era of the new normal.
With the coronavirus pandemic, it is very obvious that without virtual hearing, court will be stopped. Not only virtual hearing, you can see Jusums are on strike. The security situation in the country, and we adopted virtual hearing. The friction in terms of hearing, when hearing are done virtually, reduced to utmost minimum. So seriously, we are projecting virtual hearing.
Some courts across the country have already commenced the use of the webinar to deliver judgments. This training would enhance the speedy dispensation of criminal justice and reduce violation of human rights in the state. Godwin Agwam, TVC News, Lafia.